guys, today we are playing with this make your own wooden birdhouse. The screen's not big enough to take the whole thing, but okay, let's get started. Okay. Oh, it does come with a paintbrush. It's neat. Okay, let's put that. Ow! Oh, oopsies. There, we're back. Okay, now let's open this thing up. Seriously? Is this all we get? Because if we are, I'm just going to start mixing colors. Okay. That's all that comes in the packet. Comes with this little stick thing. So, wait, what's that? It comes with this on glue. The pack's useful, finally. Okay, now how do you put this thing together? Okay guys, sorry if it takes a long time, but I'm gonna start fiddling with this for a while. Oh, because of instructions. Useful? Okay. Wait a sec. This is way too... Guys, this hole is way too small. It's way too small. Like, literally, the bird can't fit through here. Okay, I'm just gonna get the base and start putting it together. Okay. I'm gonna try to stuff this together. Okay. I got this. There. I got the first part on. Now I'm gonna have to put the second part on. There. Okay, now, where's the second part? There it is. Oh, what? What? Okay. There you go. Okay, I got the second piece. Let's try to stuff that in. I'm gonna glue this for safety. Okay, I'm gonna do this so you guys can see. Oh. Okay. I want you guys to be able to see because I don't. One crack. Wait, you're not supposed to be there yet. There. 2 spots. Okay, it's secure. Now the next thing it says is to put the walls in. I assume this is for the roof. Oh, these are the walls. Pathetic. I'm gonna try to slide that in. That doesn't really work. Let's try to slide that in. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm gonna have to let this dry. The roof is peeling off. Okay, I'm gonna have to use a little more than needed. So yeah, I'm not gonna have enough now because I have to glue the roof. Now, how do I put the walls in? Like that. Okay. I'm gonna do it like this, and I'm gonna add some. It's like making a gingerbread man. It's like making a gingerbread house. Except this isn't a gingerbread house. It's a birdhouse. Okay, this is gonna end up really sloppy. Okay. I'm gonna make a part 2 decorating. So yeah, we're gonna leave that in the comments. Well, it's neat that it comes with its own glue. That it would have to get my own glue because of this. There. Now, stick that wall in there. There. It's on. Now, I'm gonna let this thing dry. Or not, because I can't hold this thing for like, wait. I can't hold this thing for days. It's not gonna work like that. Okay, so I might have to sacrifice and make part 2 or 3. How did this thing get in there in the first? Okay, wait a sec. This is gonna take a while. 5 minutes later, and I did it. This stuff isn't dry yet, as you can see. So, I think I'm gonna sacrifice it. Yeah, I'm gonna sacrifice it. Wait, what does it say? Yeah, it says the roof next. Too bad I'm terrible at putting glue on roofs. Because I have never made a gingerbread house before. So if I have, it would have turned out shitty. Because one time I bought a gingerbread house. Guess what happened? The pieces were broken. And I'm not a professional editor, so I don't know how to make a close-up screen. If I did, I would have totally did it when I shouted. Because it's a loud stream. Okay. Now we're going to turn this over to the other side. Oh, no. Oh, great, it's leaking on the inside. Okay, hopefully the birdies think it's comfortable even though there is glue spewing on the inside. I'm doing a terrible job on this. Yeah, this isn't working. The house is too small. Okay. There. Okay. Let's put some glue. There. I think it's that low. Yeah, it looks like it's... No, this is breaking. So yeah, off camera, the house was breaking, and they had to rebuild it, so yeah. There's now another drip right here. Okay, I don't think the birds are gonna be happy with my building skills. But yeah, I'm not that talented, okay? Don't judge me. And I hope the camera does not fall over, because if it does, it's gonna ruin my perfect masterpiece, and I'm over exaggerating again. And yeah, I'm gonna put this on slowly this time so it doesn't break. No. Oh, whoops. Okay. So the roof was falling off camera. And yeah, I had to put it back together. The tube is halfway empty, as you can see. Now I have to attach on this. But first,